Welcome to My Online Tips channel. This channel is dedicated for those are serious about setting up a successful business online. We publish quality video content every day. So please subscribe to our channel. Let's see today's video.
Introduction. Clickbank is one of the granddaddies of digital product affiliate marketing. Whether you are selling books, software, graphics, packages, or anything else that could be downloaded, Clickbank paved the way for affiliate marketing in that space. In fact, throughout the years, Clickbank has spawned a large number of competitors, but nothing can beat the original. Make no mistake, if you want a niche site or have access to niche traffic, Clickbank is a good source of great selling books, software, or other digital products that can instantly be downloaded. Clickbank throughout the years has built a solid reputation as an affiliate marketing platform. It has a very robust tracking system. It also has a wide range of products. This is its biggest attraction. While there are specialized affiliate marketing programs like Market Health, if you are looking for an affiliate program that offers digital products across a wide range of niches, you can't go wrong with Clickbank. It is a tried and proven platform that's been used by thousands upon thousands of affiliates throughout the years. This training teaches you how to market Clickbank products the right way. I'm not going to teach you basic affiliate marketing, nor am I going to tell you how Clickbank works. Instead, I'm going to teach you how to market affiliate products from Clickbank the right way. Believe it or not, most Clickbank affiliates struggle. They really do. In many cases, they cut their teeth on Clickbank before achieving success with other programs. The reason too many people struggle with Clickbank is because they do not know how to market products the right way. While the fact that most Clickbank affiliates struggle is unavoidable, this training teaches you not to be one of them.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and post your valuable comments. Thank you all.